You want to help when someone shows up at your door,
I'm out here waiting.
Hello?
Nope. I heard the whole thing, bro.
but you never really know who's standing outside. These ring clips show why homeowners think twice before opening the door. Bellflower, California.
Yeah.
Around 11:30 at night, check out this weird woman. She walks straight up to the house, tries to get inside, and is acting extremely strangely.
Damn.
She definitely doesn't look like she's having a normal late-night visit.
Please leave the package outside. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I'm out here waiting.
What do you want? Who you looking for? Who you looking
wash clothes for Yasmin? Yes, Eve. My last name is Peach.
Is she confused, under the influence, or does something else seem off here?
Hey, get off my porch! Get off my porch! Get off the porch now!
Charlotte, North Carolina. Folks, I'm getting tired of saying this. Pick up your packages on time.
Excuse me. Excuse me, miss.
Because these porch pirates are not waiting around for you. Bronx, New York. This man somehow ended up inside the home shortly after the homeowner's adult child arrived. The homeowner confronted him and made it very clear, get out.
Son, what are you doing? You are on camera. Get off the floor. Get off the floor, because if I come out there, you're going to be in trouble. Get off this floor. There's cameras all over. Get off this floor now. The think this is? Go to a homeless shelter. This isn't for you to be up on here. Your problem. Get off this floor right now. Because I'm going to call downstairs to the management office right now. You better get them off this floor, never come to this floor again. Opening my door. Stay out those, son. Get out that stairways, too.
New York, New York. Check out Captain Camera Crusher. This dude looks like he's on a personal mission to destroy every doorbell camera in the neighborhood. Buddy, if you don't like being on camera, maybe stop showing up in front of the camera. Tampa, Florida. Check out Miss Camera Snatchington.
What do you need?
I don't have time for your games.
Get out my door. I call police.
Oh, you call police going on that you're not even on the lease? Really?
Get out
And you
my
have a
door.
dog that doesn't even belong here? So you call police, right? After you threaten me? Oh, sure. Go ahead. Go ahead. Because when I came to you early, I said, I'm begging you to call Juan to say that it was an emergency. I didn't came here to do no show or anything, so don't even try. Oh, what's your name? What's your name? Put forward.
Maryland Heights, Missouri.
You think I got a family at home? You know you got a family here? Yes, honestly. If somebody came to my house,
I don't care if I agree to what.
if you came to my house and said, if I work for an hour or 10 hours, man, it don't matter if I agree on $800 in agreement. It's a job, man. The job is done. What is wrong
These
with you?
men claimed to work for a major lawn service, offered $800 worth of work, did only about 30 minutes, and then allegedly demanded payment.
Hey, sir. Sir.
I tell you, you better get off my freaking property right now. You better get off my property right now.
Sir, me and your wife came to an agreement. Hello?
Nope. I heard the whole thing, bro. I heard it. I heard it. Now get the my property.
Hey, you too.
You talk to my wife like that, I'll be there in 5 minutes.
You're too. Stop.
I'll be there in 5 minutes, you jack off. Get off my property.
You.
Laura, call the cops and get them off the property. Don't talk to my wife like that.
I don't give a punk.
Hey, you pulled up a limb and you want money? You stupid.
Listen there. Shut up.
The homeowner eventually paid $300 just to get them to leave.
I'm working with this, but that's not the way, bro. Thanks, scam artists.
If someone shows up unexpectedly asking for hundreds of dollars, don't feel pressured. Verify who they are before agreeing to anything. This woman shows up at 2 a.m. claiming to be from DSS and then reportedly starts taking pictures of the house.
Hi, my name is Tahira and I'm with DSS, Mecklenburg County.
DSS at 2 a.m.? Alone? Taking pictures? Yeah, that's a lot of red flags for one late night visit. Chattanooga, Tennessee. Around 3 a.m., this woman shows up at a stranger's door asking for water. Neighbors found the visit suspicious, with some saying she appeared intoxicated, while others claim they've seen her wandering the area for a long time.
Hello?
Hi, sir. I was wondering if trouble you to pay for some water. I just need $1 of it.
It's too late at this time. No, you can go find it somewhere else.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Was she genuinely looking for help, or was something else going on? You decide.
Let's find out how to reset this right here. That's the ring camera.
Is it yours?
It was hers.
She's setting it up.
Yeah.
It's a way to reset it, but she always give me.
Bronx, New York. This one is seriously concerning. Two people entered a homeowner's apartment and stole belongings, apparently using a key to unlock the door, and they were reportedly dressed like Amazon workers. But the biggest question is, how did they get a working key? The homeowner later confirmed that a police report was filed, and hopefully that investigation answers the biggest mystery here. Bronx, New York. This one is pretty confusing. A woman reports a possible break-in involving her sister's apartment, claiming other people had taken over the place and that her sister's car was also stolen. Police were on the scene, but neighbors were still trying to figure out exactly what happened. And the biggest concern? The dog reportedly still inside the apartment.
Oh, yes. My name is Lieutenant Ketchum. I'm here with my sister at her building. She was in the hospital, and somebody from the third floor changed her locks, and there's somebody living in there for like a week and a half. So they stole her car, took over her apartment. I mean, this is insanity. Huh? Hey! 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 What is that? Sorry, what? The bottom lock is open.
Bronx, New York.
You are recording and I'm calling the cops. You better run. You better pack your bags. You're going to jail.
Chattanooga, Tennessee. Check out Sir Smash-A-Cam. I don't know why these people are so obsessed with cameras. Buddy, if you don't want the camera watching you, maybe don't show up here. Charlotte, North Carolina. Buddy, you can crawl, sneak, or become a human lizard. We still saw the whole thing. But the biggest lesson here is simple. Always lock the door immediately after you come inside. One unlocked door can be all it takes.